Hello, welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today's recipe is based on a request from many followers, and they wanted to learn how to make the basic kibbeh dough. I have here meat. The meat is 100% lean. It's no fat at all. You can either have it in chunks, or if you have a good butcher, he'll just know how to prepare it for you. I've got here burgo, cracked wheat, and it's the fine grain. We have to soak it in water for 10 minutes, cold water, and then you're going to squeeze all the excess water out. I'm going to put one onion, and I'm going to mix it by hand a bit. Some salt. I'm going to put a little bit of water. Now I'm going to pass it through the meat mincer. Now we're going to mix it by hand, and if it's dry, we're going to add a little bit of water. Just to note that you're free to use any meat as long as it's no fat in it. So it could be veal, it could be beef, it could be lamb. I used veal here, and this is why it's really pink. It's ready for me when I make a golf-sized ball, and it has no cracks. Again, when it sits, it could dry out, so you have to always cover it with a damp towel. You can put it in the fridge for next day, and some people even freeze it, but I don't really bother because it's easy to make. And that's the basic kibbeh damascene style.